All right, guys, welcome back. So this is section three. Based on organisms. So this, in this module or in this section, we will cover a few of the things like storytelling, and some kind of content types like carousels and visual storytelling, and then we will eventually see some of the tutorial style references and more about AI videos. So first thing first, we just look up at storytelling. So if you're somebody who is producing and providing gym services, and you just write this statement: strength training is important. So this is such a vague and a vague statement that nobody really gives a shit about this. So what you need is you need to create a story behind this statement. So this is, here you can see, this is an example of how you should add a story in your in your content. Here you can see, when my client Sarah started, she could barely do a push up. 6 months later, she deadlifted 200 pounds. So most people train strength with the wrong muscle fit first. This is how Sarah got stupid strong in 2 months. So this is how you create stories about your services, about your products. If you're selling anything, online, you should have a storytelling behind your brand. Moving ahead, here you can see we have few factors which you need to understand, which you need to know. Here you can see story. A story should contain some type of context. Here you can see conflict and shift resolution. So these are the three things which is important when you are creating a story. So if you're somebody who is asking that, what would be the story, how can I create anything, how can I create a story? So your story should be about yourself and your client, or maybe it could be about your industry. So these are the three things that you can create stories around. So here you can see we have few more things: conflict resolution, context shift resolution, and open loop. So conflict resolution is actually a visual hook, headline, and subheadline. So we just talk about what is the visual hooks and what are the headlines and how you can create them. We also talk about what type of headlines are there. So I hope you guys understand, when you're creating headlines, you should again, if you don't know about headlines, you should just check out those videos. So moving ahead, here you can see images and text. Again, in the shift, you will have to add an image, again resolution, text, and call to action. Let's say you're creating a landing page for your for your gym services. So your landing page should create a story about each and everything. Like, there must be any type of story, there must be some headlines, hooks, each and everything, right? The story, the client testimonials, or text, images, and or if you can make a video of your gym, and in the end, call to action, of course, the action you would want from the user. So this is it. Here, let me show you one of the example how you can create a story using AI tools. So here you can see we have a DeepSeek, which is an AI model, AI chatbot. So here you can see this is a prompt. You can change the prompt with your own thinking, with your own with your with your own thoughts. If you have a different niche, if you have a different style, if you want a different prepositions, if you want creativity, you can add, you can change prompt, you can change prompt and you can create a story. Here you can see, create me a story of my client John, who was bulky and fair, and when he took a decision and took my gym services, he lost his weight. Create an engaging story with a catchy hook. So this is simple prompt. So this is for just information purpose. This is how you actually can create stories. If you don't have actual stories, if you don't know how to create, here you can see the hook is very amazing. John started at the staircase like it was Mount Everest. His 6-year-old daughter giggles echoed from the playground below their apartments, but His knees screamed in protest with every step. As he gripped the railing, wheezing, a single thought peered through the shame. I'm 38, going on 68. So this is how a good, good hook is. It really, enhances the curiosity of the reader that, what will going to happen now. So here you can see chapter 1, the breaking point. Chapter 2, the first step. 3, the grind and the glory, the grand finale. So yeah, this is how you create stories. You can also add, in the prompt, you can also give that, write me a story of like 5 to 10 lines, or you know you can also say that, give me the 2 or 3 chapters, or it depends on you how long you want a story to be. So I hope you understand this is storytelling. Storytelling is basically a very big, big topic. It is very big topic. You can't just say a lot of things in just a single video. And I hope you understand, the basics of storytelling and create stories using AI tools. If you want to know, the whole era of storytelling and how you can create, how you can, there are a few books that you can search on Google. I hope, just go to Google and search, storytelling how books. You will eventually, read all those books if you are really curious about it. But if you're somebody who is like, okay, I just wanted to know the basics, so this is the basics. And create, using AI tools. I hope you understand this. See you in the next video.